I've changed the front dome lights to 6000K LEDs, so these rear dome lights don't match them anymore. We're gonna fix that today. To get to this, all I needed were the 3 LEDs that I put in there and this plastic trim removal tool. We've got an opening in the back here, so I'm gonna try our pry bar here. Yep. That's easy enough. I put on some gloves just in case I need to reuse these. If I got the wrong LEDs, I definitely want to put the old bulbs back in. So what I'm doing is I'm putting the plastic pry bar in. It's too wide to just push down on it, so I'm just putting one side in and rotating the other side down. Careful not to damage these contacts. There are actually 2 different sizes of bulbs that'll fit in these map lights. So if you want something more subtle, not so bright, you can actually get a smaller one. For whatever reason, they used a different style contact in the middle, so you're gonna have to use the bigger one for that. If the LED is loose in there, it should still work. But I like for it to be a snug fit so we don't run into problems down the road. So I'm just squeezing those contacts so they get a better grip on it. Alright, looks good. Disconnecting the battery is the safest way to do this, but if you want to take a shortcut that I don't recommend, you can just wait for after the doors are open for a long time. This light will just go out. The tricky thing with that is if you're replacing either of these because they've blown out, then you need to make sure that your switch is in the correct position. I'll put links to all of this in the description below. If you use those links, it really helps us make more educational automotive content like this. In fact, this very video was made possible by that kind of link in previous videos. The other way you can help out is by watching more of our content, so I hope you consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next Car Simplified video. Thanks for watching.